Actually, I mean, I've been looking for the construction various companies, and I've started browsing few. I mean, the major companies, and I've also spoken to them, and I went to their places, and I've also visited most of their design. They will have the design studios, right? So I've visited them as well, and based on the codes that I've got, right, it's all I mean, I see there were a lot of codes which had some hidden charges, like when they will be giving a code, but when you closely ask for more details of the code, right, they'll be saying this is extra, this is extra, elevation is extra. In that way, I see there were a lot of there were a lot of hidden charges as per the code. So I've been almost I've inquired around 14 to 15 such companies, but when I first browsed you guys, and when you guys reached me out, right, so when on the first sitting itself, you just called me and you asked me about the details of the plan, how it should be, what is the maximum floors that you wanted to go, and all these details you asked over the phone, and then you got most of the details over the phone, and then you directly came out to us to have more detailed discussion, right? So on that particular sitting itself, I think we have got most of the things what we wanted, like how the design should be. I mean, a draft plan of what we were looking, you've already drawn it. I mean, you have designed it and you have got it. I think I have never seen such approach with any other organization which I have connected with, and so that is one stepping stone to have a connection with you guys. And the next discussions which we had, right, we had more about how the design should be. I mean, like we are going for duplex, or I mean, you suggested few plans, and we had few plans, and we just whatever aesthetic plan that we wanted, right, model that we wanted, so we just orally demonstrated to you, and you have come up with a better plan on how it should look like. So the plan was very good, the initial plan. All the construction updates and all, right, we get regular updates on the WhatsApp channel itself, and also with respect to the construction quality, right, most of my friends who visited the site, even my parents' friends and all, right, they visited the site, and they've given a good feedback, saying that the kind of steel that they're using for this price, yeah, the thickness, the right, I don't think nobody uses 20 steel, right? So that is one good thing about this, and also the quality, right? So when there are any issues that I encountered on the construction site, right, and I approach you guys, I think there is an immediate resolution that at least if not the immediate resolution, at least immediate response to that particular problem, I see it. So even if the resolution is taking time also, that is fine, but the response I expected, I mean, it is getting it, I'm getting it very fast. So that kind of response, I think we have to maintain with the customers, and you're doing a good job on that as well. And yeah, till now it is going very good. Yeah, it is going good. Exactly, because most of the issues and all comes at the end, at the completion only, right? So as of now, it is going good for both of us.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah, I think I have a good after having a discussion with almost 14 different constructors, right, even as I said, right, as you already know that even my wife asked me, why did you go with Habi, right, I have that confidence that because you are kind of new to the market, and you wanted to prove it, right? So I think I have that confidence that you will completely finish it off in a good.
There is a very big question, like there are giants who are already working, and you visited those giants.
Correct.
How did you make up your mind that just by one single mate, how did you make up your mind that
that's what the hidden charges are, the one which pissed me off, because see, on whatever that I ask, right, they are saying, okay, 2 lakhs extra for this, If I ask for a better cement, they ask for 2 lakhs extra. If I ask for better steel, they're quoting 1 lakh or 2 lakhs extra, right? The basic package that they have, right? I don't think any house construction can happen with that basic package. In most of the persons who visit them, they go there by looking to the basic pack, and if they explore more about the basic pack, right, there will be at least 10 to 15 items that needs to be upgraded to the next packages. In the process, right, you'll end up paying a lot more.
So there might be a lot, like maybe 15-17% of price escalation by the end of the project.
Exactly, definitely it will be there. They quote 1600, but if you want JSW, you have to go for 1800. Right, in that way. So JSW, you will only get JSW as part of 1800 package. In this way, the packages are being populated. But here, I see most of the steel and all, right, the price is, I mean, we have a standard of price, right, 70,000 rupees or 75,000 rupees per ton. You can go with any steel that is available, right? So, but there they mentioned the brands. If you go for a better brand, you have to pay more.
Other than those brands,
yes,
you need to pay more.
Exactly.
You are not allowed to choose things.
Yeah, exactly. If I allowed to choose things, automatically the package is upgraded. So
package is automatically upgraded and the price gets up.
Correct. And also the other point which I mostly liked is that you have given quotes. I mean, you have split up the square feet per floor. Yeah. Like for balcony, this is a price.
On each floor, like
exactly.
For balcony, this
correct. For a floor, this is the price. For parking, there is a price, right? There are multiple splits that you have given, right? But in most of, I mean, there were such quotes given, split up was given, but most of the companies that I visited doesn't have that. So they just charge for 1,000 complete built-up area.
Complete built-up area.
Yeah, that is the other point which I like most. Which ended up choosing you.
Yeah, this actually brought up the construction cost also down.
Correct. It will.
Some way it has helped it out.
Correct.
So how was the foundation and everything till now? Like, were you satisfied with the foundation of the building?
Definitely, I think. Yeah, as I mean, the foundation thing. Initially, by looking into the soil test, right, we thought we should be going with the pillar foundation, but when we looked into the soil test rating, and you guys decided we shouldn't go with this, and you have clearly communicated this that this will not work out. But other side guys, the same location, but they still went up with the pillar foundation, right? Which I felt that we have done very good job on the foundation level. So we have completely concreted the foundation, and I think our foundation can withhold five plus floors for sure, definitely. But since we have a limitation. Restriction that we have to go only for the 3.5, that we are restricting and we are limiting for 3.5, but definitely the kind of foundation that we have put on our site, right, it will easily withhold 5 plus floors.
Yeah, so like Habi states that they have their own like well-educated and well-experienced structural designers.
Mm-hmm.
So in like apart from this, like did you ever try to use that like structural drawings, try to give it to some other structural person and test whether those structural design is well for your construction or something?
My sister itself, she's a civil engineer, right? So I've shared to her, and she has given a good feedback about the structural drawings, that what you have shared with me, and also. I mean, even on the structurals, right, we had some issues like where the lighting point should be there, and I mean, all these discussions, I think those sittings were all very useful sittings that we had, and we have come out with a very good plan of utilizing the maximum space.